Do AI content generators violate underlying IP rights? Getty Images recently announced that it had commenced legal proceedings in the High Court of Justice in London against Stability AI. Getty claims Stability infringed its intellectual property rights, including copyright, in content owned or represented by Getty Images. The claim is based on the standard practice of using images and other content to train AI engines to generate new content. AI applications that can generate text, pictures, music, and other material normally created by humans are becoming increasingly sophisticated and raising all sorts of legal, business, and educational issues. In Doe vs. GitHub, a putative class of software developers has sued GitHub, an open-source code repository, OpenAI, and Microsoft, which owns GitHub and is a major investor in OpenAI, over Copilot, an AI tool developed by GitHub and OpenAI using GPT-3 that promises to assist software coders by providing or filling in blocks of code using AI. The plaintiffs claim that the code they posted to GitHub under open-source licenses was used as training data for Copilot without their permission. They claim breach of contract for violation of the terms of the open-source licenses, but don't claim copyright infringement. In Anderson vs. Stability AI et al., 3 visual artists sued Stable AI, Midjourney, an image generator, and DeviantArt for using the artist's work to generate new and allegedly infringing derivative works. Under U.S. copyright law, a copyright owner has the exclusive right to create derivative works of his or her own work. Generally, there's a one-to-one correlation between an original work and the derivative work. A major issue is whether there's substantial similarity between the original and the one alleged derivative work. Is this like an artist drawing inspiration from, and learning from, the work of other artists, which is allowed under copyright law and considered socially beneficial, or is this infringement? Certain forms of copying are allowed as fair use under copyright law if they're considered transformative. That Supreme Court decision may affect how lower courts resolve the pending AI-related disputes. Read more about AI and intellectual property at www.eonlaw.com. Eon Law. Unleashing Genius.